The gradual release of steam marks another industrial step to heat or sterilize manufacturing components. Systems like this are now crucial to almost all industrial processes, from food, beverage, and raw materials processing to oil and gas production and even pharmaceuticals and biotechnology work. And that key component is just what this British headquartered giant specializes in. The 134-year-old firm first entered the Chinese mainland 27 years ago.
We start from just import product from overseas. So then step by step, we have our own manufacturing locally. We also develop our R&D center, so develop local product for local market. And on the another side, actually, we export quite a lot to the overseas.
The company now has sales offices in 42 cities around China, with more than 500 employees. From just 100 or 200 customers at the beginning, it now has 30,000 nationwide.
In terms of key representation for British business here at the moment, you're looking at advanced engineering and manufacturing, financial services, and education. Particularly over the COVID period, where we've seen particularly Western economies have struggled with the uncertainty. China's remained very stable, still lots of growth potentials. And we've started to see companies kind of doubling down their strategy here. We've seen companies open up more manufacturing facilities. We've seen even companies starting to open up their global R&D centers in China.
And British firms have also found other ways to grow their profits by doing deals with Chinese enterprises. In 2013, Chinese auto giant Geely completed the acquisition of the century-old British automobile brand LEVC. It now has 2 R&D and manufacturing centers in the UK and in China. Based on one of the firm's auto models, Geely formed a new brand specifically offering urban transportation services. It debuted last year in the city of Dalian, with some changes to suit the local market.
For example, in the UK, the seat and cushion in the third row are relatively short, with the back of the chair relatively straight. That is just right for a short trip in downtown London. But in China, some people prefer to travel citywide, and so we designed new sofa seats to provide a better experience. But we have kept our driver communication system, which allows customers privacy.
The company plans to have its services starting up in more cities, including Hangzhou and Huzhou, before long. According to UK government trade data, China replaced Germany as the UK's biggest import market in the first quarter of last year, and China was still in top position when the latest monthly data was released in December.